Making light work. It's an old joke, but I love it. A battery, also called a cell, is drawn like this with two lines, a big line and a short line, and it kind of makes an arrow, and that's the direction that the electrons go. Two batteries, two cells makes a battery, really, but so many people call them two batteries that, you know, you have to just accept it. Of course, a battery actually looks like this. There's AA or AAA, and they're in your remote controls is mostly where people come across batteries. They're always 1.5 volts, and they say on them 1.5 V. Every one of them says 1.5 volts. Good. A light bulb written as a cross. This is an indicator light bulb. One that just is for light is drawn like that with a ziggly zaggly line in there. So you do get both of those things for light bulbs. A wire is just a line. Ammeter, A for ammeter, ammeter, and a voltmeter is a circle with a V in it. Good. Voltmeter finds out how many volts you've got. Ammeter finds out how many amps. Right, circuit 1. This is a good circuit. Circuit is how to say circuit. The ammeter and the bulb are in series. Series means that all the electrons go through the ammeter, then all the electrons go through the light bulbs. Two batteries, two cells is what you need for two light bulbs, because the light bulbs in science labs each need 1.5 volts to work. This one here, there's a big gap here. Not complete circuit. Circle the broken wire. Electrons cannot jump an air gap. Air. Oh, I should write that in air gap. Because, well, if you've got 1,000,000 volts, then yes, electrons can jump a gap of air. That's called lightning. But if you've just got 1.5 volts, then no, it can't jump that gap. This is why in most of the world it's 240 volts of electricity, because that's the most amount of volts you can have without it starting to jump through the air. And lots of volts means you have smaller amounts of amps, and so less people die. It's actually the amps that kill you. Good circuit. All components in series. Yeah. So they're all lined up. Any electrons coming out here go through all three components, the two light bulbs and the ammeter. Not complete. Complete. Circuit. Circle the two breaks in the circuit. Well, obviously there's a break and there's a break. In the circuit, electrons cannot jump the air gap. Air gap. Cool. I think air should definitely be in there. That's a change to my page on my book. That's good to do. Good circuit. All the components, use a bit weird. All the components are in series. Any electrons coming out of here has to go through all three components. Oh, yeah, that one's bad. Circle the component not in the circuit. Well, obviously that one is not correctly connected. The bulb gets no electrons. Cool. Good. One bulb and one cell in series. Excellent. Bad. Bulb not in circuit. Circle the problem. Well, that one. Electrons will just go through the ammeter and come whizzing around here. And because there's nothing with much in the way of resistance, the electrons very quickly, within 24 hours, the electrons will just come whizzing around here. The whole lot will all heat up. The electrons go whiz, 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 whiz. And the cell will have no more chemicals in it. It will run out of electricity very quickly. That's called a short circuit, when the electrons can just go whizzing through, nothing stopping them, you lose all your electrons. 3 cells in a battery. A battery of 3 cells. 3 light bulbs. That's what you want. Good. The ammeter is in series. In series. A battery of 3 cells and 3 bulbs. Right, bad. What's the ammeter do there? Ammeter. Inside battery. Circle the problem component. Yeah, why would anyone put it there? Okay, here we go. A bad circuit. Oh, what's wrong with this one? Oh, yeah. Too many cells. The bulb wire, little wire inside the light bulb, will heat up and melt. You're going to wreck that one. The teacher's not going to be happy. Bulb is in between the cells. Yeah, so that's bad. Circle the problem component. Yes. Whew. No. Okay. All right, here we go. Bulbs glow red. Not enough cells. Oh, because we've got 1 cell and 2 light bulbs. Everything's in series again. But if you've only got 1 light bulb, these might get hot enough to be red. But, you know, they're not going to be white hot. So, therefore, yeah, the light bulbs aren't working properly. Not enough cells. Bulbs need 1 cell each in series. Not in series. Oh, because the electrons can come around here. There's a second way the electrons can come. The electrons can totally ignore the ammeter and go around the ammeter in parallel. Oh, can you read that one? Electrons will use the wires that avoid the ammeter. Scribble out the problem wires. Blah, 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 blah. Now it works. Okay, here we go. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 cells in a battery of 4 cells. But that's okay because we got 4 bulbs. This is good. And the ammeter is in series. There's no short circuits. There's no air gap for cells, for bulbs in series. Good. What's bad about this one? Oh, no bulb. No cell. Okay, here we go. Bad circuit. Ammeter not in circuit. Yeah, you know. And also the light bulbs over there is just bad because... Oh! 3 air gaps. The electrons can't jump across air gaps unless you have, like, lots more voltage. 1.5 volts, not a chance. Each series bulb needs 1 battery. Excuse me, I'm a bit sniffy. Cell. Cool. More than 1 cell per bulb will make it bright, then melt the filament wire. Ooh, new word. Mint. Cool. Oh, that's a change to my page. It's all going to become a book. Oh, I hope to publish sometime. Bulbs. I'm going to publish on the internet. Bulbs, so that you can do the filling in on these pages. Oh, I've got like lots and lots of pages. Bulbs must, a page on every piece of science and matter is. Bulbs that you need in exams. Bulbs must not be between cells. No, don't put anything between the cells. But can be anywhere in the series circuit. Ammeters have to be in series. Ammeters have to be in series with the components. With the component to measure the current going through the component. O-N. Cool! My name's Good Luck Gary. I work in the schools in Hong Kong, and I also work in the evenings, come to people's homes to help them with their science and mathematics. You can get in touch with me via my Facebook page, Enlightened Education Limited, or via goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com. Press like, press subscribe,